Hello, my name is Pascual Monreal, and I am the founder of NoSnake. If you sell online courses or are thinking about creating one, I'm going to give you a completely new approach to choosing your sales platform. At NoSnake, we don't want to be just another option. We want to offer a new perspective. That's why NoSnake stands out from the rest with 3 key points focused on protecting your business and your reputation. The first key point is closeness. Here you have its founder showing his face, and this will also allow you to stay in touch with me to improve the tool day by day. The second is total flexibility. Many platforms push you to choose a business model. Either you sell individual courses or you set up a membership. Whereas in NoSnake, you can combine both worlds within the same interface in a clear and simple way, allowing you to choose whether to sell courses, set up a membership, or create a combination of both. And furthermore, in NoSnake, you will have access to everything the platform offers from the very first minute. That is, unlike other platforms, we don't keep any features exclusively for advanced plans, forcing you to pay more to enjoy them. And the third point is the one that truly changes the game, and that's our integrity filter. In other words, we use a combination of artificial intelligence and human review to ban gurus and snake oil salesmen who are undermining your industry or polluting the space where you sell, which makes NoSnake a comfortable place to sell and gives your students the confidence that they are consuming a safe product. At NoSnake, above all else, we prioritize that you showcase your skills and knowledge on a platform that is recognized worldwide for its ethics and good faith. So if you value your personal brand, come with me and I'll show you NoSnake from the inside. Let's go to the pricing page, which is what really matters to us. And I suppose you're wondering, what does NoSnake have that other platforms don't? Well, if we look at this price comparison here, we can start to see it clearly, since it costs you between 99 and 149 euros approximately to create your course on the other platforms, if you want to take advantage of all their premium features. And on the other hand, with NoSnake, from minute 1, you'll have access to all the premium features starting from 0 euros with our starter plan, without having to pay extra to access these upgrades. And now let's talk about our motto, which is grow first and pay later. And what does this mean? It means that our 3 plans are designed so that while you're building your academy and finding your first students, you don't pay. And as you grow and things start going well for you, that's when you'll start paying. In other words, the growth of the platform is tied to the idea that if things go well for you, then, in return, things go well for us too. That's why, until you get your first 25 students, you don't pay. Then, when you have between 25 and 75 students, you'll move up to the Pro plan, and that's when you'll start paying. And if you finally reach the Premium plan, it means things are going great for you and the student limit disappears. And finally, read through all the features included in each plan, compare the features of each plan below, and if you have any questions about anything, we'll answer them for you in our FAQ section below. So once we've figured out which plan best suits our needs, all that's left is to subscribe. So next, let's take a look. First, I'm going to show you what your creator dashboard would look like inside once you've subscribed. Alright, so here I present to you your very own personalized creator dashboard. And I have carefully set up and configured a test academy for you called Urbanesthenia, which simulates a full calisthenics training program to show you all the incredible potential your dashboard has and all the various things you can do with it. One of the very first things you should do is choose between light mode and dark mode when interacting with your dashboard, depending on your personal preference. For this particular situation right now, I'll leave the user interface set specifically in dark mode. Now, if you take a moment to look closely at your screen, in your dashboard, you'll also have a fully collapsible side navigation bar on the left where you can quickly access any area of your dashboard you might find most useful or convenient for your daily tasks. As you can see, just by moving the mouse over it, it automatically folds and unfolds. And something truly fascinating and useful that I'm going to show you now, just to give you a quick preview, is this specific button located right here, the main editor for your academy. So let's take a moment to click on it, and as you can see, I've already set up a comprehensive sample training course dedicated to calisthenics, so you can explore the full creative potential and features of the platform's editing page. In a separate and more detailed tutorial later on, we will go much deeper into this specific section, but if you take a closer look at the interface now, we can easily set up the name, brand logo, main titles, subtitles, and various indicators. By clicking right here on this Customize button, you will be presented with a very comprehensive and powerful section where you can fully configure and edit all of your branding elements in real time as you make changes. As we move forward with the editor, you'll see that you can provide your biography or description, design, create, and set up your courses and different plans, where, as I mentioned before, you'll be able to combine both the creation of memberships and the sale of courses through one-time payment options. And if we continue moving forward through the process, you can see exactly how you can set up your various social media accounts and configure your own personal payment account with Stripe without ever having to leave our platform, as well as quickly and easily set up your own custom domain in this final section. Next, I'm going to show you one of the many different configuration examples that you can set up for your own professional academy. And this is exactly how your fully configured and functional academy would look when you simply navigate over and click right here on the preview button. Here you will see the real, live view of how your academy will appear once it is completely set up for the public members who visit you. As you can see, this is exactly how everything we've been configuring on the previous editing page will look in the final result. As you can clearly see right here, we have the login page, the introduction video, and the comprehensive About Me or personal description section so that your future clients can really get to know you. And then we also have the specific section for the various educational courses currently being offered, which we've carefully set up with their own individual previews, where we can add a full description of what future students or clients will learn, as well as even the detailed course syllabus. And by clicking these side arrows, we ensure a seamless experience for visitors and future clients to move comfortably from one lesson to another, so they can easily view all of the valuable content. And finally, we have the plan set up, and the very last section with your social media links. And now, if we go back to your personal area, one of the first things you'll be able to see is the number of students you have, your current earnings, the plan you've subscribed to, and then down here you can set up the name of your academy and configure your direct access URL to the academy with the free subdomain we offer you. Unless you happen to have your own custom subdomain and have already taken the time to set it up properly within the specific white label section located inside your academy's editor, which is exactly what we were looking at just a moment earlier. If we keep scrolling down, we reach the student area. In this area, you will have records of information such as your students' email addresses, names, the plan they chose, the date they signed up, the status of their subscription, the cancellation date, and the actions you can take such as issuing refunds and canceling subscription. And something really interesting is that you will be able to export this data in CSV format so that if you wish, you can organize it differently or create your own custom tables or records. If we continue, we reach the notification section where you can send personalized emails to your students, notifying them, for example, about updates related to the platform. If you click on the new notification button, you'll see how you can define which group of your students you want to send the email to, as well as the subject and the message. In the next section, we have everything related to discount coupons, where you can customize them. To do this, we click on the Create Coupon button, and here we can customize the coupon by choosing the name, whether it gives a fixed amount or a percentage discount, the value, and to which of the plans or courses you have set up the coupons will apply. If we move on to the next section, live sessions are used to schedule real-time meetings with your students. You just have to choose the platform, whether it's Zoom or Google Meet, schedule the meeting, and once you have the meeting link, click on Create Event and set up the meeting title, description, paste the URL here, set the date, and all this information will appear directly to your students on their personal dashboard so they don't miss any details. Next, we have the payments section where you can check the status of your account and subscription, make changes, as well as access the statistics and payment data from your own Stripe account. Then, if we keep scrolling down, we have our own analytics section, which breaks down all your earnings and organizes them by region. And now we've reached the webhooks section, in case you want to automate any type of customer or transaction data and connect your copies to automations using data from the platform. And finally, we have a last section currently in beta, which will help us issue invoices and prepare the tax information we need to meet our tax obligations without having to hire an advisor or use an external tax tool. That is to say, under normal circumstances, most online sales platforms, when they are advising you on these tax matters, will typically mandate that you hire an external third-party tax tool or a professional tax advisor, which can easily end up costing you anywhere between 50 and 300 euros each month. So with NoSnake, you're getting a tool that saves you all these costs and the need to look for other platforms or advisors.
And that's it for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for the next ones. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and most importantly, the bell. Yeah!